Today we'll learn about HTML hierarchies. HTML is structured like a family tree. Elements can contain other elements. An element that wraps another one is the parent, and the one inside is the child. This parent-child relationship is what creates the structure of every web page. So let's take a look at it inside of VS Code. First of all, we have our HTML tag that basically wraps the entire web page. So this is basically the parent element of every element inside. Now we have the head and the body, which are both direct childs to our HTML tag. If we create a new element inside of our body, we create a child to the body element. So we can, for example, create a div inside of our body, and now this div is a child of this body tag, and this body tag is a child of this HTML tag again. If we, for example, create a paragraph inside of our div, which contains some text, for example, and we save our web page, then this paragraph is a child of this div. So this div is basically the parent of this paragraph, and this paragraph is the child of this div. This div again is the child of this body, and this body again is the child of this HTML tag. Now we can create a second paragraph, and now we have one child of this div, and we have another child of this div. And now we can take a look at this inside of the inspector by right-clicking and pressing inspect. And as you can see the structure, the tree structure of this HTML document. If we hover over the HTML tag, you can see that it marks basically everything that contains to this HTML tag. So basically everything. But if we hover over the body tag, it basically highlights almost everything again, because the body includes basically all of the information, because the body is basically a parent element to pretty much all of the content. If we hover over the div tag, again, it highlights both p tags, because both of these p tags are direct children of this div. And now if we hover over the paragraph, it basically highlights the first paragraph. If we hover over the second paragraph, it basically highlights the second paragraph. Under developer tools in the element section, you can really good visualize the tree structure of every HTML document. By pressing this arrow and opening the body, you basically see all of the children of the body element. By opening the div, you basically see all of the children of the div element, and so on. And understanding this structure is really important when working with HTML.